The discount on a package of athletic socks is 15%. It is on sale for $17. What is the original price of the package of athletic socks? All right, so let me set up my little picture here. So what am I dealing with? I'm dealing with a discount of 15%. So what I start with is 100%. Take away 15% of it, and what you would be left with would be 85%. It is on sale for $17. So I know where I'm ending here. What is the original price? So what am I starting with? And what am I taking away? So we've been doing a lot of these problems using the percent equation with the part equals some percent of the whole. Let's look at this one in a slightly different way, because you can also solve these problems using proportions. So if I take away 15%, I don't know at the moment what amount that is. So I have nothing in this part of the picture, but I do know that after taking away that 50%, I'm paying for 85% of the item, which is $17. So let's set up a proportion, and let's say, all right, so if I'm paying for 85% of the item, I'm giving them 85 for every 100 parts of the cost. And when I give them that 85%, this is my part. Remember, it's always part over whole. So this is going to be 17 over what amount? Notice that my whole amount is directly across from my 100%. Original price, whole amount, same thing. And I can solve this proportion, cross multiply. So take 85 times x, which is 85x. Take 17 times 100, which is 1700. Divide both sides by 85. And 1700 divided by 85 would work out to be 20. So this number right here would be $20. So the item started at $20. I took away 15%. So now that I have all the pieces, I know that 15% of 20 should be $3. And that should make sense. 15% of 20, it's a pretty small amount of it. Well, 10% of 20 would be $2. 5% of 20 is half of that, so that's $1. So put those two parts together, the 10% and the 5%, 2 plus 1 would be 3. So it looks like I have a good answer here. And if you prefer the percent equation, the way you would have to set that up is you would have to take 85% of some amount and know that after you take 85% of that amount, you're going to pay 17. So you would just divide both sides by the 0.85, and 17 divided by the 0.85 is going to take you right back to that 20. And notice that this division problem here and this division problem here are exactly the same. If you take this and multiply the top and bottom by 100, 17 times 100 is 1700, 0.85 times 100 is 85.